Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open the Elsa making. You can make that bracelet or you can make a necklace. So guys, let's show you the box in the back. And I'm looking in the front when you look in the back.
Okay, let's have a close up. It's a Japanese version.
Yes.
And we don't read Japanese, right?
Well, we read English or Cantonese. And everybody like my picture.
Yes, I hope so.
Like my picture. Everybody please like my picture that I draw. I draw. Please everybody. Please. And let's just open it. Oh, no, not this. Yeah. Ooh, easy. There's another box inside the box.
And just some help?
Maybe I need to take this box out. I took 7. Strong enough to take this thing out. But this is this card. Ooh! Stop sticking. Like my picture. Cameraman, look. I just peeled it off.
Yeah.
Eee!
What's that?
Ow, I just hurt myself. Is this a giant scissor?
Yeah, it's a bigger one. Okay, let's look at the front of the ball.
I just squeezed myself.
Oh, okay, be careful.
Let's take my stuff out. Ooh! Pretty! What is this? This is a bag that you can make the bracelets and you can give it to somebody, your best friend or your cousins or your aunties or your uncles or anybody you want.
Don't you think uncles like it?
Oh, don't.
Yeah, I guess aunties maybe, but not uncles, right?
I just say something wrong.
Yeah, no, it's not wrong, but it's just funny.
Can you just look at this menu and tell me what to do, please?
It's in Japanese and...
But I said look at it.
Okay. Here we written nothing about it. It's Japanese.
If you look at it, I'm going to cut everything out.
But if you read the picture, then you know how to do it, right? You see all the pictures.
Can you read the picture?
Oh.
There's one heart, another heart, and a big crown. Oh, I know how to stick stickers. I think you have to stick the stickers.
Can we have a close-up on the stickers?
I'm just going to cut
stickers.
beans out.
Now we see some English on the sticker. Elsa and Anna.
I don't like it. I mean, I do like it a little bit, but I've just changed my mind and I like the sentence now. And I only like Elsa just a tiny bit. Like a tiny bit, like nano bit. Wait, where did the first one go?
I don't know.
Oh, I think it just fell. Oh, bad luck. Myself. Do you hear the background music?
Yes.
Do you hear Elsa?
You can sing it. You can sing a few lines, right?
Oh, buddy. I forget how to sing it. Ooh, this is a keychain. Those two
Yeah, you can make some keychain with all those gemstones.
There's gems. Those are pink and
It's a look-alike gemstone. Actually, it's plastic.
okay, just get these out of the way. Oh, just play. Oh, this first one was here. Doing good, man. Come out. My string. Ooh, put these strings out. Rubber band. And And I need more scissors, please. Do you hear the music?
Yeah.
Does it hear good? If you're the one that like Elsa, please like the video.
Yeah.
I'm pulling it out on the wrong side. What? Can you untangle this, please? First, give me the stickers, and I'm gonna untangle this. I'm gonna stick. Where is it? And I don't know how to stick it. This is not how we stick a sticker. Can you help me stick this heart? What? It's still tangled. How long is it? It's still tangled. Here's a crown. You can take a crown. Give me the sticker. Ooh, gold. Look at this. Ooh, it's... Don't know how to... Okay, let's just take the beans out. And don't lost any. Do you have anything to put it on?
Nope.
Why not? Not bring them in.
Well, we may get a small container.
Can you just find a small container?
Yes, just a second.
Okay. What? How do you tangle this thing? Did you just tangle it more?
No, I don't.
Yes, you did. I can untangle it myself. Just tangled anymore. It's untangled. Yay. Oh, there are some more tangles here. Okay, finally untangled. Oh, here. Okay, just... I don't want it. It's too long. Oh yeah, I need to make this machine. How do you put it? Maybe I just have to take the other ones out. Have you seen the menu yet? Or the instructions? Hey, no. Oops.
You can use the tray.
No, this is not a tray.
No, the black one. You can put it there and make sure that those
Did you take it? That's my...
won't go away.
They won't roll. Oh wait, this is out. Oh, the last keychain. Take the other one. Open it. How did they make this bag like this?
I don't know.
Why did they have to make it hard to open this?
They make sure that they will get it. Put it in the mouth.
These are the big ones.
Can we see those
These
small
are-
parts?
You want to see the whole tray?
Yeah.
Here, then here you go.
Yeah, it's very colorful, right?
Yes, colorful. But there's most all of them is pink. Let's try it. And, but how did you put it? I don't get it. Where do you actually put this thing? Oh. No, I don't know how to put it. Let me see. Round pieces of string. Where's the end of it? The end of the string. Give me the end of the string. What? I cannot. Now I know how to do it because first I did not read the instructions.
Yeah, you read it.
I was cheeky.
Okay.
Now let's put it back in. Okay, let's remember which one is in. Oh, not here. Yes. Yes. Here?
Yeah.
Maybe this one. Is it too small?
Yes.
Oh no, it spins right. You have to spin test. This is the crown, and I like the crown better than the heart, so I put the crown. Okay. Spins were all right.
Yeah.
Spins right.
Yeah.
You can put it in different places. Where? I guess Uncle would like some kind of boy bracelet.
Okay. Maybe no.
Because boy's bracelet is card and something else that I don't like.
Yeah.
So maybe they like those. But I don't have boys' bracelets. I don't like boys' stuff. I like girls' stuff. Because girls is kind and boys is evil.
Okay.
Because I don't like boys.
Yeah, but anyway, at the end of the day, boys will like girls and girls will like boys.
Because in the end of the day? There's no end of the day.
Okay, I don't want to argue.
The end of the day. You won't. I don't want to say the real actual word. It will scare you guys. I just don't want to say the actual word of the. Because the actual word will just go to death.
Yeah, let's have a close up on the.
No.
Okay, yeah.
The string is here.
Yeah, the
That's
string.
just one of the end of the string.
Okay.
Wait. There's a hole, you forget. There's a hole down here. I get the hole.
Now we can make it right.
Ow.
Okay.
Done. And then now just pull it. No, not here. Pull the string here or here.
Here, yeah, right here, right.
Let me just.
Maybe you push a little bit more, can you?
I can't.
The button.
What button? This button.
Yeah, push it a little bit more.
Okay, that button is all the way in. Now,
Yeah, somehow.
no. This button does not work. Okay, I think I can do it myself.
Yeah, and then pull back the button.
Yes.
Yes. Now, yeah.
Oh, do I?
Oh, you forgot.
What did I forget?
It's okay, it's easy. Anyway.
What did I forget? I pull it out?
No, you don't do it now.
There.
Right? Yeah, hold it. Okay, let's have a close up on your. What's this?
Slit. Is it short so it's a...
Yeah, you like it?
Yes, I do like it.
Wow, you look good.
And also let's try it on our hand. Let me just put it down.
Okay, let's have a close up on it.
Can you hold it for me, please? I put it on top of my hand. Put it. Ooh.
Okay, it's okay.
Ooh. Ooh.
Good.
Wow. There's a crown of Elsa. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Bye.